The second option says that G has 4 silo 3 subgroups. How do how do we apply silo theorem here? Okay, the second option says that G has 4 silo 3 subgroups. Okay, and since order of G is 60 and it can be expressed as 2 to power 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 60, and 2 to power 2 divides 60, but 2 to power 3 doesn't divide 60. So G has 2 silo subgroup of order 4. Okay, now apply the silo's third theorem, number of silo p subgroup in G. Okay, that is 1 plus pt divides order of G, and it can be written as 1 plus, here my p is 2. Okay, p means primes, not, don't be hesitate from 2 to power 2, we only choose prime. Okay, 2t, whether here comes 2 to power 3, 2 to power n, whichever power doesn't matter, but we only need a prime, which prime we have chosen. Okay, here is prime is 2, so we write here 1 plus 2t divide order of G is what, 2 to power 2 cross 5 cross 3. Since we know that 2 to power 2 remains co-prime with 1 plus 2t because t is some integer. Okay, so 1 plus 2t remains 2 to power 2 co-prime, so I can write here 1 plus 2t divides 5.3, means 5 cross 3. Okay, the possible values for t is 0. If you put here t is 0, 1 divides this is true. If you put here t equal to 2 to 4 plus 1 5, and 5 divides the 15 is also true. If you put here t equal to t equal 1, here if we put here t equal 1, this becomes 3 and 3 divides it. If we put t equal 2, that becomes 5 and 5 divides it. If we put t equal 3, 7 doesn't divide it. T equal 4, this becomes 9, that doesn't divide. And similarly, that only possible values is 0 1 2. Okay, so my option says that G has 4 silo 3 subgroups, 4 silo 3 subgroups, and here is also the possibility, so I here work for 2, but in my option there is not asked about 2. Okay, we have to work for 3. Okay, and here 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 to 5 subgroups of order 4. Okay, now let us work on 3. Okay, since order of, we know that order of G is this. Okay, order of G is this, so 3 divides order of G, but 3 to power 2 doesn't divide order of G because 9 doesn't divide 60. Okay, so G has 3 silo subgroup. G has 3 silo subgroup of order 3. Okay, by silo third theorem, order of G, which implies that 1 plus 3t divides order of G is what, 60, and which can be prime factorized as, and let me do this as 1 plus 3t, that 3t that becomes co-prime with 3, so left is 2 to power 2.5. Okay, because 1 plus 3t 3 for every t in Z. Okay, and 1 plus 3, so possible values for t is 0 1. If you put here 1, that becomes 4 divides this 2, this becomes 7. Does 7 divides 20? 7 doesn't divide 20, so 2 doesn't work here. T equal 3, works here because 3 3 9 plus 1 10 and 10 divides the 20. Okay, 3 works here, and if we put here 4, that becomes 13 doesn't divide 20, and again only possible values are this. Okay, 19 also doesn't so G has 1 plus 3, here we put 3. Okay, 10, G has 10, 3 silo subgroups of order 3. Okay, so option second says that G has 4 silo 3 subgroups. That is false. Okay, now my third option says that G has a cyclic subgroup of order 6. G has a cyclic subgroup of order 6. Order of the group is 60. Okay, my mind converges toward dihedral group because here order of the group is 60. That is even. We always try to go towards the dihedral whenever the group is even. Does dihedral works for it or not? But dihedral, my intuition says that dihedral work here. So D30, whose order is 60, has a subgroup D3, whose order is 6, but D3 is not cyclic. Forget cyclic, is not even it not abelian. Cyclic is another thing. Okay, it is even not abelian. Okay, so D3 is not cyclic, so option third is also a false. Now fourth option says that G has a unique element of order 2, but dihedral group says that D30 has 31 elements of order 2. Why? Because Dn equal n plus 1 elements of order 2 if n is even. N elements of order 2 if n is odd. Okay, n plus 1 elements of order 2 if n is even, n elements of order 2 if n is odd. Okay, so apply this trick, then option 4 will also be discarded. Only correct option is 1. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe my YouTube channel, share as much as you can, please, and please press the bell icon as well, so can you notified whenever I upload another video. Friends, see here. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and try to analyze us as much as, and please comment and suggest me. I welcome if someone suggest, mostly welcome. Thanks. Have a nice day.